Zesty first, sticky last, perfect every time. Today, we're making some lemon pepper sticky barbecue wings. These things are awesome. Y'all stick around. Let's start the show. What's up, carnivores? Today, we're going to make a simple but delicious game day wings recipe. Today, we're making some lemon pepper barbecue sticky wings. We've just seasoned both sides with just some good old McCormick lemon and pepper seasoning. If y'all don't make wings with just lemon and pepper, then you should, but I think most people do. I'm going on a little bit heavy. I haven't salted these or anything. It's just the lemon pepper seasoning, which has about 8% of your sodium, and y'all know that I say anything below 10%, season liberally. I've got my smoker running today at 225 degrees. We're going low and slow on these. We're cooking these over some mesquite pellets. All we got to do now is just get them into the smoker. One good thing about using these cooling racks to season your chicken is that you can make an easy transfer right onto your smoker. And then when I get ready to flip, I'll just flip them on the cooling rack, but that was super easy. We're gonna let these go for about an hour and a half. We're gonna come back and just check them. Okay, so we're about an hour and 15 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and flip these wings. They already look really good. We wanna make sure and get a little more color on them though. I probed them up a few minutes ago and they're all probing around 140 degrees. You can see as you're cooking them, some of the fat and the liquid out of the wings is gonna roll down to the bottom and you're not gonna get as much color. That's why it's important to flip. We're also gonna be putting a little bit more seasoning on after we get them flipped. Okay, so to get this row of drums that I've got across the back here closer to my hotter edge, which is the front edge on a camp chef, we're just gonna rotate these around a little bit. The goal here is not to drop the wings. It's very important. Yeah, that's just gonna put the hot part of the grill a little closer to my bigger drums and slow down the cook on my flats a little bit so they don't get overcooked. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of that leftover seasoning on here and be ready to go. Okay, so we're right at 3 hours on this cook and everything is around 175 degrees internal. That means it's time to go ahead and get a sauce onto the wings. Now for our sauce, what I did was I just took some Sweet Baby Ray's and I doctored it up a little bit with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some honey, some coarse ground black pepper, and I think it's gonna really add a little something to it. Let's get in here, have a look at these wings, get some sauce on one side, and then we'll flip them. Put that coarse ground black pepper in there just to add a little bit more texture to the finished product and a little bit more peppery taste. But these wings have taken on an awesome color and I think we're going to be very happy with our game time wings, baby. I'm going to leave a couple of these unsauced just so we can see what's going on with that lemon pepper wings, but we're gonna let that set for a few minutes, then we'll flip them. All right, so that's about 10 minutes. The sauce setting on that side. We're gonna flip all these over back onto the pretty side, which is the side that was up when we started, and we're gonna sauce the pretty side, which is the side that's got the most skin and fat on it. And then we're gonna go about maybe 10 more minutes just until it tacks up the way I want to see it. And then it's going to be game time, baby. Look at the color on them wings, man. It's pretty wings. Is there anything better than smoked wings or just wings, period, on game day? Don't answer that question, because I know there's lots of good options and there's lots of people that's got lots of opinions. There ain't nothing better today. I can tell you that much. Let's get that sauce on there. Y'all tell me down in the comment section below, what is your favorite sauce for game day wings? Sweet Baby Ray's is hard to beat, but if you make your own, let me know your recipe, and we'll talk about it. We'll see y'all here in just a bit when the sauce is set. Okay, it's time to get them off smoker. Since we left them on the cooling rack, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just easy transfer right into the pan. Now y'all tell me that right there don't look mighty fine. Mighty fine. I'm gonna put on my secret weapon here. We're gonna let these cool for a little bit to where old Smoke over here don't hurt himself. Okay, so we were looking at about 3 to 3.5 hours at 225 on these wings. They look excellent. The sauce really tacked up really nicely. That little addition of black pepper or large grit black pepper into the sauce created a great look on these. I'm really pleased with how they turned out. Let's go ahead, get a bite, see how we did. Clean pull off the bone. Tender skin. That's what you get when you slow smoke wings, and that's the reason I like slow smoked wings on game day, because it's not crispy, but it's definitely not tough. The skin just gets real tender. Let's check out one of these flats. Take it, eat it like a drum. Oh, that is so good. I love lemon pepper on chicken, and I love a good sweet barbecue sauce to finish over the top of that lemon pepper. Y'all let me know if you try this video. Let me know if you have any questions on how I did this. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.